So what do you remember about a number line? Everything to the left of 0 is negative. Everything to the right of 0 is positive. So a number line goes from least to greatest. So before I begin, let's separate these rational numbers from positives. This is a positive, this is a positive, this is a negative, and this is a negative. Let's start with the positive. Let's do some estimation. Which one of these three rational numbers is less than one whole? 1 out of 4, that's going to be less than one whole. 5 out of 8, less than one whole. 5 out of 4, that means I have more than one whole. So I'll be between 1 and 2, so these two. So 1/4. How do you say 1/4 as a division problem? You used to remember it's 1 divided by 4. And what is 1 divided by 4? Can 4 go in 1? 0 times. How do you get rid of that remainder? Remainder, you annex a 0. How many 4s go in 10? 2 times. How do you get rid of this remainder? Let's annex another 0. How many 4 goes into 20? 5 times. So that is 2,500, which goes right here. As you divided this one whole into 4 parts. 5/8. How do you say that as a division problem? 5 divided into 8 groups. Can 8 go into 5? 0 times. How do you get rid of that remainder? You annex a 0. How many groups of 8 go into 50? 6 times, which is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. Annex another 0. How many groups of 8 go into 20? 8, 16. 2 times. That's 4. And how do I get rid of this last remainder? Annex another 0. How many groups of 8 go to 40? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 5 times. So it's 625,000, which is more than a half, but less than 3/4. It goes right there. And last but not least, 5/4. So let's use what we know about number sense. To make a whole is 4/4. 4/4 plus 1/4 adds up to 5/4. We know a fourth is 2,500, so it's 1 in 2,500. It goes right here. But if you wanted to, you could have divided 5 divided by 4 and got 1 in 2,500. And now next one, let's look at our negatives now. So which one of these is a little less than -1? 3/4 is less than 1 whole. So we know it goes between 0 and 1. Well, 3 divided by 2 is more than 1 whole, so it goes somewhere between 1 and 2. So what is, if 1/4 is 2,500, 2/4, 3/4, that's 25, 25, 25, that's -7,500, goes right here. That's -1/4. I can write it down if you -1/4, -2/4, -3/4. What about this one? How do you say this as a division problem? -3 divided by 2. So let's do 3 divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. How do I get rid of the remainder? We annex 0. How many groups of 2 going to 10? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times. So it's -1 and 5/10 or -1/2. It goes right here. So did you put -3/2 as the least? Then -3/4, 1/4, 5/8, 5/4.